Welcome back to another fun Lionel production on our layout progression and modeling here. Ryan Kunkel coming to you from Lionel headquarters with one of our new layout displays. This display starts off with a carpeted section, which will recreate a typical living room setting with a train running around the Christmas tree. And that does a number of things for us from an interpretive standpoint, but one of the great things about the carpet on a display like this is it is a really great way to deaden the sound. And it's one of the things that a lot of people have noticed and commented on about Fast Track is that it does get pretty loud. And on this display, there'll be 10 trains running around, so anything we can do to soften that noise a little bit goes a long way. So if you look here on our layout, you'll see that we've started off with a carpeted section, and the track has been screwed down. Now, you probably don't want to screw it down at home if you're using your actual living room carpet, but on our layout, we've done the same thing here with the carpeting, and then where we move into a section that will be more traditional scenery, the carpet is cut away, and we simply will have the carpet underneath the track itself. So to give you a sense of what a difference this can make in the sound, let's run a train around the layout a little bit and over a section that's not quite finished, and you'll hear the difference in noise. What you can see here on this section of our layout where we're in process of building is we have carpet underneath this first section of track, then a little transition into a section that hasn't had carpet put underneath it yet, and you'll be able to hear, hopefully through your speakers, a difference in the volume of the train as it's running around. This is one of our Lion Chief starter set engines, so typical of what you would get in any of your starter sets. So you can hear that the noise isn't completely eliminated. You still have metal wheels on metal rails, so there'll be plenty of noise as your train runs around. But that hollow sound from the inside of the roadbed is greatly reduced by having the fibers of the carpet nestled up inside. Now we'll give you a quick how-to on how we install the carpet. Okay, so let's install some carpet underneath your track. Now the first question probably is, what carpet should I use? It really doesn't matter. We recommend you get the cheapest carpet you can find. As long as it has a decent length nap on it so that it'll nestle inside the roadbed, you're going to be fine. There's really no reason to spend a lot of money on this project. In fact, if you're changing carpet in the house and you've got some old carpet, as long as it's not completely pet stained, go ahead and use that as you're ripping it up. Lauren is going to show you how we cut out the carpet here to match the track. It's pretty much a matter of laying the carpet out underneath your sections of Fast Track roadbed and using that to trace the line. And there you have it. Any tips, Lauren?
Sharp blade. Yeah, it'll take you a long way on that one.
Also helpful for nagging coworkers.
Yes, that'll help you a long ways too.
So when you're done, you'll be left with strips of carpet like this, which we'll then install underneath the track. To attach our carpet underlay, we're going to use liquid nails, heavy duty adhesive. You can find this at any home supply store. We've laid down our track previously on our platform and marked the outer edges with a pencil so we have a mark. And now Lauren's just going to apply some glue. And we'll lay down the carpet. Once the carpet's in place, you'll want to let it sit for a little while for the glue to set before you add on any track, especially if you start drilling through to add your feeders, which we'll be covering in our next video. Thank you very much. Hope you picked up a few tips here, and as you're building your layout, found a way to help reduce the noise level in the train room just a little bit.